Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Magic Drawing. Today I'm drawing a cute little monkey with letter M. Let's draw and color together. First, draw letter M. Let's turn it to a monkey now. Monkeys are amazing animals that live in forests, jungles, and even mountains. Do you know what is monkey's favorite food? If yes, please comment below. Monkeys love to eat bananas and other fruits, but they also eat leaves, nuts, and flowers. Monkeys are very social animals. They live in groups called troops and love to play. Monkeys use their hands and feet to grab things, and some can even peel bananas just like us. Monkeys can swing from branch to branch using their arms and legs. Monkeys communicate with each other through sounds. Monkeys are very fascinating creatures that are fun to watch and learn about. Please try to paint with me. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next video.